Top 10 Richest Celebrities in the Caribbean and their net worth. The Caribbean has produced many celebrities, each island its own sons and daughters. Some of them are billionaires and have a huge following worldwide. In this video, we take a look at the top 10 richest celebrities in the Caribbean and their net worth. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and the Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so that you always receive my updates. Number 10. Jimmy Cliff. Profession, musician. Country of origin, Jamaica. With a long spanning career, Jimmy Cliff has earned his net worth through his many hit singles such as Wonderful World, Beautiful People, Wild World, Reggae Night, and many more. His net worth is $10 million.
Music really helped me to take a positive step in life. And
Number 9. Selita Ebanks. Profession, model and actress. Country, Cayman Islands. Selita Ebanks is a Cayman-born British fashion model and actress. She was born on February 13, 1983 in Georgetown, Cayman Islands. Ebanks has worked for high fashion brands Neiman Marcus and Ralph Lauren and appeared in magazines such as the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue, Vogue and Glamour, but she is best known for her work with Victoria's Secret as one of the brand's angels from 2005 to early 2009. Her net worth is $12 million.
Bless them when there ain't no stress, and it's Sean Paul, the girls them overall long.
Number 8. Sean Paul. Profession, a singer, musician, songwriter, actor, rapper and record producer. Country, Jamaica. Sean Paul is a Grammy-winning Jamaican dancehall rapper and reggae artist. Sean Paul first rose to fame with the Dirty Cup crew before embarking on a solo career. He has released 6 solo studio albums and has been nominated for 5 Grammy Awards, winning one in 2004. His net worth is $12.1 million. Number 7. Shaggy. Profession, keyboard player, singer, rapper, actor, musician. Country, Jamaica. Shaggy is a Jamaican-American or Jamaican musician who has released many popular albums. 3 of his albums have been certified platinum and 1 was certified gold. His hits include Bombastic and It Wasn't Me. Shaggy was born Arville Richard Burrell in Kingston, Jamaica in 1968. When he was 18, he moved with his family to Brooklyn, New York. He took singing lessons and was discovered singing with friends on the streets. He joined the United States Marine Corps and served in the Gulf War. He would sing while serving to break up monotony. His net worth is $12.3 million. Number 6. Rohan Marley. Profession, American football player and entrepreneur. Country, Jamaica. Rohan Marley is a Jamaican-born football player and entrepreneur who lives in Miami, Florida. He earned his net worth from his career in the National Collegiate Athletics Association as a linebacker for the University of Miami. Later he became a member of the Canadian Football League, in with the now defunct Ottawa Rough Riders. His net worth is $20 million.
When I was performing with Bob Marley as a background singer with the I3s, I would sometimes get that special nudge and attention as a wife and the sweetheart and the lover that we knew what was going on.
Number 5. Rita Marley. Profession, singer, country, Cuba and Jamaica. Rita Marley was born on July 25, 1946 in Santiago de Cuba. She is the widow of reggae legend Bob Marley and a member of the trio The I3s, Bob Marley's backup singers. Rita Marley earned her net worth as a singer. She grew up in the upper level of Beechwood Avenue, Kingston, Jamaica. She was raised by her aunt Viola, while her father went to London to look for work but never came back. She started out by singing along to the radio, and she eventually began practicing with a cousin, Constantine Dream Walker, and her friend Marlene Precious Gifford. The trio later sang for the Wailers, a local group made of Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Bunny Wailer. Her net worth is $50 million. Number 4. Nicki Minaj. Profession: visual artist, composer, voice actor, TV personality, singer, rapper, and many more. Country: Trinidad. Nicki Minaj is a Trinidadian-American rapper, model, actress, and R&B singer. She was born Onika Tanya Maraj in St. James, Trinidad and Tobago on December 8, 1982. Nicki Minaj's mother moved her to Queens, New York, when she was 5 years old. Minaj is known for collaborating with other recording artists and providing guest rap appearances on many popular singles. Her net worth is $85 million.
Please welcome the world's fastest man, Usain Bolt, everybody.
Number 3. Usain Bolt. Profession: track and field athlete. Country: Jamaica. Usain Bolt is a Jamaican sprinter who is considered as the fastest human on the planet. Usain was born in Trelawny, Jamaica on August 21, 1986 to parents Wellesley and Jennifer. A high school cricket coach recognized Bolt's speed and encouraged him to focus instead on track and field, and a legend was born. His net worth is $90 million.
Never have I ever seen a rapper naked.
Totally have. Come on, stop lying. Stop lying, God.
Number 2. Rihanna. Profession: singer, fashion designer, actress, songwriter. Country: Barbados. Rihanna is a Barbados-born singer, songwriter, and actress. In a given year, Rihanna earned $60 to $80 million from her expanding empire. For example, between June 2018 and June 2019, she earned $65 million. Rihanna, who was born Robin Rihanna Fenty, earned her net worth as one of the most popular and commercially successful music artists in the world today. Her net worth is $400 million.
My quest was, is there a formula between every single wealthy person that I can distill into a few identifiable points? And that's the formula I'm going to make sure I practice and I also preach.
Number 1. Michael Leachin. Profession: philanthropist and investor. Country: Jamaica and Canada. Michael Leachin is a Jamaican-Canadian business magnate, investor, and a philanthropist. He is the founder of Portland Holdings, Inc. He also is the executive chairman of AIC Limited and the National Commercial Bank of Jamaica. Please check out the video, Richest Man in Jamaica, for more information on Mr. Michael Leachin. His net worth is $1.85 billion.
Do you want to share it?
You want to hear it?
Yes. Don't we? I'm going to write it down.
Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting. If so, please do remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you always receive my updates.